teaser for Yash Raj Films' upcoming romantic drama Sayyara, directed by the king of heartbreaks himself, Mohit Suri, has been released, marking the Bollywood debut of Ahan Pandey alongside Aneek Pada. The teaser introduces viewers to an emotionally charged love story with passion, heartbreak, and redemption themes. It doesn't give away much, and yet it gives away everything. A love story that's intense, poetic, and gorgeously shot. We don't know what happened, but we feel it. And isn't that what a good teaser is supposed to do? I just hope Virif doesn't ruin it with their poor marketing tact. Anyways, let's talk about why this film is suddenly the talk of the town. The debut of Ahan Pandey. Yes, the Pandey surname is back. This time it's Ahan, nephew of Chunky Pandey and cousin of Ananya. While the N-word, nepotism, could have easily overshadowed this debut, surprisingly it hasn't. Maybe it's because Ahan has kept it low-key. Maybe because we have seen him goofing around in his sister Alana Pandey's vlogs. He comes across as a genuinely likable guy. Let's just hope he can speak Hindi without an accent. You know what I mean. He did look confident with fresh energy, but I just hope he can act too. It's Mohit Suri. The moment I heard the monologue and saw the stormy eyes, I thought, this is Ashiki 2 and Malang having an emotional baby. The look, feel, I know, we have been through the green screen trauma of War 2. But Sayyara does look grounded, visually fresh with that good old rain-soaked heartbreak vibe. Mohit Suri without music is like chai without adrak. I'm calling it. We are getting at least one Arijit Singh banger that will destroy our souls at 2 am. If this film doesn't give me a heartbreak anthem, I'll be personally offended. A fresh pair. I'm honestly bored of current pairs in the industry. I want to see new pairs with some energy and chemistry. Ahan Pandey and Aneek Pada really need to have a chemistry as this is a love story. They cannot screw it up. We all saw what happened in the Royals. Yeah. But. There is skepticism undoubtedly. Will they deliver the emotional depth? Can the two debutants carry a story this intense? Will the music do justice? Will there be expressions? Will the storyline be different from what all we have seen and is imagining the film as? All valid questions. If they do pull it off, Sayyara could honestly be a surprise comeback for Bollywood's romance genre, which, let's be honest, has been on life support lately. Anyways, Sayyara may not promise explosions of flying bikes, but it promises emotions that I can say, chemistry, longing, and maybe, just maybe, a story that stays with us. So Mohit Suri, Virif, please don't let us down. And Arijit Singh, get your heartbreak playlist ready. We are counting on you because sometimes all it takes is one love story to bring the audience back to the cinema.